Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. I am right in the middle of preparing a meal that is going to be great for Valentine's Day. And I am so excited because you know, if you watch my videos, how much I love salmon, and this one includes the Norwegian salmon. So the first thing I did is I took a pan and I lined it with foil, and then I had brushed on olive oil here. Now I've got my salmon, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put olive oil or sunflower, either one, oil over the top of it, the sides, and on the back, even with the skin on. Prior to this, I made a strawberry balsamic vinegar glaze. And what I did is in a saucepan, I added brown sugar, I added some shallots, some strawberry, and I added the balsamic vinegar. And what I did, I simmered that until it went to about half the liquid. And you can see it actually thickened up as I cooked it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to glaze the salmon with it. And I'm going to put it on very generously. And it's got, you know, pieces of the shallot in there, pieces of the fresh strawberry, and I'll put it on the sides too. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in the oven at 425 degrees, and I'm going to cook it between 13 and 16 minutes. But depending on the thickness of that salmon, you might have to cook it a little longer. But I want you to make sure that you're cooking it until the internal temperature is 145 degrees. And I am going to save the glaze because we're going to use it a little bit later in the recipe. Okay, now I just took out my salmon. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the spatula and I'm going to get between the meat of the salmon and the skin, and I'm going to just slide it through because I want to take that skin off, and it comes off so easily. And then I'm just going to place it on the top of my salad. Now I have a bed of mixed greens. I put some shallots in there. I put some sliced strawberries on there for Valentine's Day, and then I sprinkled it with some feta cheese. And I'll put the next one on here. And again, I removed the skin from there. I want to leave the skin on because between the meat and the skin is where all the omega-3s are, and that is such a healthy fat for you. Okay, my last step to the salmon is I'm going to take that glaze that I told you I saved earlier, and I'm going to glaze my salmon again. And then what I want to do is I want to drizzle some of this glaze on my salad also. Now, what is a Valentine's dinner without a great bottle of wine? And I have got a wine I want to introduce you to. It is called Decoy, and it's a Pinot Noir. And I am going to pour a glass because you know I'm just going to have some. Little salmon, little salad, and a strawberry. I want you to have a very, very romantic Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Enjoy. I just gotta have some more salmon.